Hi everyone, I'm Mike Jacoby from Lucid Vision Labs. In this video, I'll show you the steps to set up your Helios2 Chroma camera with your PC. The Helios2 Chroma is Lucid's RGB camera. It combines precise and accurate 3D data from a Helios 2 camera with color information from a Triton RGB camera. It comes as one complete IP67 unit. It's pre-calibrated and factory assembled, meaning what you see here is exactly how it comes out of the box. You don't have to put it together, and you don't have to calibrate to map the 3D data with the 2D data. It's all done for you. Now, there are a few accessories you'll need to set this camera up that are not included. Let's get into that. We'll need a 2-port Gigi PoE network card, Ethernet cables for both the Helios 2 and Triton cameras, an M8 GPIO power adapter for the Helios 2, and an optional tripod mount adapter. In this video, I'm using the Helios 2 Wide Chroma, and with this model, the Helios 2 Wide does not support PoE. That's why we need the M8 GPIO power adapter. Please note that other Helios 2 Chroma models do support PoE, so check out our website for model-specific power requirement details. Let's start with installing the network interface card into our computer into a free PCIe slot. Also make sure to connect any auxiliary power connections. This ensures adequate power to your devices for PoE. We'll now connect the tripod mount adapter. Every tripod mount adapter includes 4 screws to attach it to the bottom of your Helios 2 camera. Once that's done, we'll attach a M12 Ethernet cable to the Helios 2. Make sure you align the key tab of the connector to the right orientation, then screw it in. Note that the connector is not meant to screw all the way in. That's normal. Then connect the M8 GPIO connector to the M8 GPIO port of the Helios 2 camera. Same thing, align the key tab to the connector and tighten it in. We'll also plug in the other end of the power adapter into an outlet. The Helios 2 LED will now flash red, meaning it has power but no data connection. Now let's connect the second M12 Ethernet cable to the Triton camera. Connect both Ethernet cables to the network interface card. The Triton will get power via PoE. Both cameras should be flashing red now, but will change to flashing green, meaning that they're now receiving data, but not streaming yet. Once those are all plugged in, let's turn on the computer and move on to software. You'll need to download the latest version of Arena SDK with ArenaView MP. Let's double-click the installer and go through the installation steps. In this video, we will choose Developer so we get everything installed, not just the viewer. Once you have it installed, restart the computer, then load up ArenaView MP. You'll see that on the top left, the camera is initializing, and since this is our first time, you might see a notification that the device network is misconfigured. To fix that, simply click the wrench icon here. ArenaView MP will restart the camera with the proper network settings. Once it's done, you can click on the button here. Just to check, we'll click the drop-down area to view both cameras, and then we'll select Start Stream with the Start Stream button. And that's basically it. You can move the point cloud by clicking and dragging with your mouse. Quick tip, if your point cloud is a little too dark, you can expand the setting for the Triton camera and increase the gain. Here, I already had it set to 10 dB, but yours most likely will be set to 0, which is default. And that might be a little too dark, so setting the gain higher can be helpful to get a brighter image at the start. If you can't click and drag your point cloud properly, right-click on the display window and check to make sure you're in 3D mode. You're most likely in 2D mode, which is great for orientating the camera and aiming it at the proper target. But in this mode, you can't rotate or zoom the point cloud, so make sure you switch to 3D mode. Now, this getting started is just to help you get a colored point cloud using ArenaView MP as quickly as possible. Our SDK also has APIs to assist you in your own software creation. We also have APIs that wrap complex functions, simplifying the overlaying of an RGB image with the point cloud. And that's it. Of course, we have more features and more options for you to tweak your point clouds with. If you want detailed information on that, visit us at thinklucid.com. That's it from me. Thanks so much for watching and stay lucid.